Hey my friends, are you thinking you might love the soothing sounds of flowing water in your outdoor living space? Are you wondering if a seemingly simple fountain project might scratch that itch? In this very video, we're going to show you some footage of our team's past fountain projects while I skim over the basics of how our fountains work and why you might want one. By the end, you'll know if you're on the right track with this idea and whether or not it makes sense for you to watch the next video in our fountain series. So let's get rocking. In my opinion, there are only really a couple of components that you need to understand when thinking about how a fountain is designed in order for you to grasp the basics. The first is the reservoir or basin. The basin is what supports the fountain. In addition to that, the basin captures and holds the water for the purpose of recirculation. And it also contains and provides access to pump, plumbing, and the other moving parts of your feature. The second component that you need to understand is the fountain itself. Water from the reservoir goes through the pump, through the plumbing, and out of the fountain itself, where it flows in hopefully some attractive, appealing way where it cascades back down over your fountain element, making a peaceful, calming sound on its way to be captured in the reservoir once again. That's the basics in a nutshell, kids. Compared to ponds and waterfalls, fountains have the potential to be the simplest, most affordable option when it comes to outdoor water features. These simple designs can fit in spaces as small as 3 feet by 3 feet. They can be installed on outdoor patios, elevated decks, and even be installed indoors. The sounds of falling water can bring many benefits to your living spaces. As humans take over planet Earth like the plague, the amount of natural habitat in our world just continues to shrink. Nature always comes to our water features, and the result is beneficial, relaxing, and enjoyable for us. Watching birds visit, listening to them sing, the sounds of the frogs in the evenings, it reminds you that you've created a sanctuary where all life can thrive. If you build it, they will come. The next benefit that a Fountainscape will bring into your life is what I'm going to call the chilling out effect. There's plenty of scientific and medical proof out there to validate the health benefits of water features. The soothing sound of falling water generates this sense of inner peace. It lowers your blood pressure. It just makes you feel good. Simple as that, guys. The last and most important benefit of a Fountainscape that I want to share with you guys are the connections that water features provide. Water features create a space where you can connect with the people you love and your friends, with nature, and with yourself. So if you guys want to know more about basin options, fountain options, and costs, we'll cover everything in more depth and detail in the next couple of videos. If you're still not sure that a fountain is the right choice for you, I made a ponds versus waterfalls versus fountains video that covers the pros and cons of each to help you decide on the perfect water feature for you. I'll do the link thing up there and down there in the description. Watch that video if you're still on the fence. I'm John G with Modern Design Aquascaping, and our team builds world-class ponds, fountains, and waterfalls. I really appreciate you spending a little time with the Adams family. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and remember to hit the bell if you want to be notified immediately when we put out new content to educate and inspire the world about ponds and water features. John G out.